Hey there, I'm Eliza with Ancestral Evolution. Today, we have an announcement to make. Drumroll. We have a new Skillshare class. It's all about how to render fat. If you're interested in making tallow, lard, schmaltz, or ghee, we've got a really nice tutorial with some background chemistry and everything you need to know. So be sure to check that out. I'll have a link in the class notes below. Today, as a special treat, we have an excerpt from that class on how to make cracklins. So I hope you enjoy. And as always, if you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe down below. So after you've dry rendered your tallow, you've got these crunchy bits that are left over. Now you want to save these because we're going to make some cracklins with them. So I've just spread them out in a baking sheet here and they've cooled off. And now I'm going to add some salt and pepper. You can put pretty much whatever seasonings you want on these guys. I'm also going to add a little bit of garlic powder. And a little bit of smoked paprika. Alright. I've got my oven preheating to about 350. I'm going to pop these guys in there and we're going to cook them. There it is, 350 on the nose. We're going to pop these guys in there and we're going to cook them for about 20 to 30 minutes or until they're nice and crispy. You want to stir them maybe halfway through to make sure that they're not getting burned on the bottom. But we'll do that and then we'll pop them out. You can also make cracklings out of the remaining pieces of fat from the wet rendering of the tallow, but that will take a little bit longer to get dried out and crunchy. So I find the dry rendering a little bit quicker, and that's what I do most of in my kitchen. So we've had our cracklins in the oven now for 30 minutes and I'm about to take them out and take a look. These things smell amazing, by the way. So they're nice and crispy. So I'm just going to put some on some paper towel here. Now these are delicious just on their own, or you can put them on top of, for instance, like salad or some eggs, something like that. Just make sure you let them cool off enough before you eat them. I've definitely made that mistake before. If you want to save your cracklins, but you don't want to eat them now, these things freeze really well too. Just make sure you cool them down to room temperature and then put them in a Tupperware, label them, and stick them in the freezer. And when you're ready to eat them, just get them out, stick them on a baking sheet, and stick them in the oven for a little while until they're warm and crispy again. Enjoy!